Hey, what is up guys, welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So Huawei Mate 40 phone is teased with the octagonal camera setup. In the world of smartphone, big manufacturer trying to different themselves with a unique design of the back panel and the camera setup. We have seen square from Apple and Google, rectangle from Samsung, a circle from OnePlus and Moto, a scattered shooter from Nokia. According to the official teaser, the Huawei Mate 40 lineup will feature at least one phone with the hexagonal or octagonal setup on the back. We can also see a physical volume rocker, meaning that the company is dropping the idea of virtual button that was introduced with the Mate 30. As you can see, this is the new post-official teaser of the Huawei Mate 40 series. The camera is looking something new style, and the date also it's showing 22 October. So let's see upcoming days. Up until now, leaks have been hinting at a solution similar to the Huawei Mate 30 family, where four cameras set bunched up in the black button-like circle, and the flash was sitting on the side. We also saw some render suggestion that the same design, but this image posted by Huawei Access he gonna change this. There is another possibility Huawei might have different design for the different member of the Mate 40 lineup. This would be the first of the Mate line since 2016, the year Huawei started launching more than one flagship under the same name. The official launch is taking place on October 22, and that when we will learn what is going on with the Huawei Mate smartphone, not only their appearance but also pricing, availability and detailed specs. Also, a couple of days ago we have seen the Huawei camera sample leak from an Vivo website. It's showing that the moon picture of the Huawei Mate 40 Pro. A few days ago Huawei has released the teaser, short teaser, and they say the launch date is 22 October. So let's see in upcoming days. Make sure to guys like this video and subscribe my channel for more tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out and bye.